Pull all the jewelry off. We're going to change the cylinder, liner, piston, connecting rod. I'm going to pull the connecting rod off down here on number 2. Number 10 across the aisle we already got taken out. The cylinder's out. Number 10 here, the head's off, the cylinder's out, the piston's off. We got to pull the connecting rod and carrier out, getting it unhooked from the crank. Once the head's off the other side, we'll pull that piston, pull these pistons out at the same time, and start reassembly. Inside the shop here, I had the piston from the other side, right here. I got to pull the rings off. We're going to change the liner. We're going to go put new rings in it. Over here we have our new connecting rod and piston assembly for number 2. 2 new liners in these boxes and new rings and gaskets. So we're going to get all this going. Alright, there's the piston out of number 2. Connecting rod assembly. Liner's still in it. Piston's off the crank. We're going to pull the liner out. Okay, we got the new liner, brand new liner hanging here. New gaskets, we'll put the new liner in. Over here we got 2 new pistons, well, new rings on the old pistons and a new connecting rod on the fork side, or the blade side. So we're going to slide the new liner in, put the new piston in, put the head back on this side, and then go to the other side and put the new liner in. Whoa. Alright, we got the liner in, the cylinder liner. There's a cylinder liner there. Brand new liner. And you see it in there behind the water pipe. We got a ring compressor here. Putting the piston rings in. Just slides over. Then it's tapered on the top. And then tapers down. Just slides the rings right into position. So we're going to put the piston in now. Alright, we got number 2 back together. All the jewelry's on, head's torqued down. Piston's in, cylinder's in. There's a new cylinder. New connecting rod. So this side's all together. Now I gotta finish putting together number 10. There's a new cylinder for number 10. Head's laying down there. Torque multiplier. Ring compressor. I put the connecting rod back in yesterday. That's the connecting rod. Carrier. Connecting rod on the crank. Alright, we got the liner in number 10. There's a new liner. Piston's back down in there. Got the head hanging here. Fixing to lower the head on in. New seals. Brand new liner, number 2 on number 10. Everything's hooked up, ready to go. We're going to lower the head down. easy. Hold it there. All right, we got the head back in, the liner in, torquing the head down. We're gonna do 3 torques. First one at 300 foot-pounds, and then 800 foot-pounds, and then 1800 foot-pounds. That's the 800 foot-pounds on the first one. We're gonna jump to the next one, over to here, and then down to here, and then back up to there. And then we'll go back through and do it again at 1800 foot-pounds. With that multiplier is 26 to 1. So with a 20% loss, so at 1800 foot-pounds, we only got to pull 87 pounds to get our accomplished torque. And right now at the 800 foot-pounds, he's only got to pull 39 pounds of torque. All right, he's got them all torqued at 800. Now we're torquing at 1800 foot-pounds. Like I said, he only has to pull 87 pounds. And that's it.
Should have a red thing.
All right, got it all back together. Got it full of water. Checked everything twice, 3 times, making sure everything's connected. Already blew it down. Everything looks good in here. All the jewelry's back on. This is number 2. We'll go around and check number 10. Number 10 here. All the jewelry's back on. Everything's back together. Everything's tight.
They're gonna put the button in, right?
Yeah, on the governor. Priming up the fuel system. Then we're gonna fire it up. See what happens. All right, here we go. We're gonna fire it up for the first time after changing 2 cylinders. Here we go. Battery's a little weak. Take this out for a test drive, see how it goes. Did it first running since rebuilding. All right, here we go.